trees, one mammal gets about without touching the ground. A Siberian squirrel. It can glide. A furry membrane stretches from its wrists to its ankles. There could hardly be a more efficient way of travelling. At this time of the year, the female squirrels are not only feeding for themselves, they're also raising families. A disused woodpecker's nest hole protects the young squirrels from the sub-zero temperature. Their mother's precious milk must sustain them throughout the winter. Five weeks later, the warmth of spring has transformed the forests. It's time for the young squirrels to leave the shelter of their nest. But first flights are somewhat daunting.